Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Ford Escape. First, gather your jumper cables and ensure both vehicles are in park or neutral with their engines off. Safety is paramount, so wear gloves and eye protection. Inspect both batteries for any cracks, leaks, or corrosion. If you see any damage, do not proceed with the jumpstart. Make sure the area is well ventilated and clear of any flammable materials before you begin. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. Take one red positive cable clamp and attach it to the positive terminal of the dead Ford Escape battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, attach one black negative cable clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. This sequence is crucial for a safe connection. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative cable clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Ford Escape's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. This provides a good ground. Now, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this, try starting your Ford Escape. Once your Ford Escape starts, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, remove the black negative cable from the unpainted metal surface on your Escape, then from the good battery. Next, remove the red positive cable from the good battery, and finally, from your Ford Escape's battery. Drive your vehicle for at least 20 to 30 minutes to allow the alternator to fully recharge the battery. If it doesn't hold a charge, consider a battery check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.